NBA Top Shot. This is going to be my latest money bag alert, so you guys definitely do not want to miss out. I'm going to show you guys how I found this one and how the infrastructure prices are doing after this new partnership that's going on. But first, welcome back. Moneybags Rico here, bringing you financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour. With that being said and out the way, let's go ahead and get started. We got Start Your Collection of official NBA and WNBA NFTs. This is going to be huge. Like I said, this is my money bag alert for the day. You guys do not want to miss out on this. We got NBA Top Shot. Is your chance to own, sell, and trade official digital collectible NFTs of the NBA and WNBA greatest plays and players. This is that next level up. I'm sure when first cards started to come out, that probably didn't make no sense to anybody that would be worth a lot of money later on. And we are seeing that revolution, if you want to say, come around once again, because this is the new age of it. This is the digital form of collecting cards that is going to be right in front of our face. I don't think this is going to go anywhere, especially with all the marketing that's going to go behind this. I'm very pumped up about this. Of course, none of this is financial advice. I want you guys to dive into this. I'm going to have all the official links down in the description below where you guys can do your own due diligence, right? Now, this is how I found NBA Top Shot. I was looking through some stuff. I saw Flow. Okay, I like this one. They got good social engagement. It says open because remember, not only did the miners mining gold make a lot of money, but it was the infrastructure around it. The people selling the shovels, the people with the tractors, and that's what this is. This is how NBA Top Shot is going to be running off of this Flow. And we can see this actually at the bottom of their page. We can see this right here. Proudly built on Flow. So we got to read in between the lines. We got to see what Flow is about. Flow is a new blockchain built on the next generation of apps, games, and digital assets that powered them. Okay, let's read in between the lines. It's, like I said, a money bag alert. We see two big names pop up off the top. Crypto OG, we'll call it Crypto Kitties, and of course the NBA. So home to the world's most trusted communities. Flow is easy to use, easy to use and powerful to build with. Every aspect of the platform was designed from the ground up to support exponential user experience and mainstream scale. Okay, mainstream scale. This is going to be huge. We got originally conceived by the team behind Crypto Kitties. Flow today is the centralized network supported and built on a growing community and brands and Web3 builders. This is something that we're going to be talking about a lot on the channel. Of course, we've been talking about since the end of last year that 2022 was going to be the talk of NFTs and metaverses. We can see that coming to light right now, as well as these infrastructures, the Web3s that's going to help all of this run, right? Keep all these wheels greased. So we got right here. This is when I saw something. I said, whoa, what's going on right here? This, we got kickstarting the open metaverse. This is something right here. NBA Top Shot, Crypto Kitties, Dr. Seuss, and UFC. This is, like I said, a money bag alert. I'm going to have these official links down below so you guys can do your own due diligence. We got consumer-friendly onboarding, Flow, standardized usability improvements for crypto traders and sport fans alike, letting you focus on what matters. This is huge right here. Mainstream-ready experience, human-readable security, smart user accounts, incentives for early adopters. You can sign me right up. I'm definitely going to sign up to this. Like I said, none of this is financial advice. You're not supposed to ape into this. I just like to see something, and they're being really smart with this. This is why I'm saying that this is really smart, because a green Web3 network. Another thing that we're going to be talking about a lot in 2022 is the carbon footprint that minting the NFTs or mining Bitcoin or any of the such is leaving on our earth. So we're going to check this out. This means Flow is the greenest Web3 network among the leading platforms. Minting an NFT on Flow costs less in carbon than a post on social networking sites. So that is epic right there. And we're going to see something coming to the channel where we're going to be talking about a lot of carbon credits. Okay, this is something moving forward that we're going to see. We got some testimonials. This was another thing that made me go ahead and look into that Top Shot, because we have from the NBA, the Brooklyn Nets, and as well as the Miami Heat. So you think about how this thing's going to take off right away, them being able to sell it at these arenas, and just off the hype. So let's make sure that we give them a follow. This is their official Twitter page. Make sure the bell notifications lit up. As of the making of this video, we're at 167,000 followers. I'm kind of laughing a little bit because I know this is going to blow really quick, especially with and look, only 66. So we are very early. Remember, of the making of this video, 67 likes, and look at how these are flying up already. I'm telling you, the word is going to spread really, really fast about this. Is going to be a heavy hitter. Now let's go ahead and look at the price, and let's take note of what's going on. First off, I'm always going to say volume is king on this channel. We got the volume spiking up 171%. Something's cooking. That's all I got to say. So we're going to come over here and take a look. And as of the making of this video, they're at about $2. And let's let it load up really quick. Let's go ahead. $2.32. We found a support right here on this level where we touched a few times. And these all-time highs, after that type of partnership, you can forget about the all-time highs. We can just go ahead and just mark this up just so we can identify the support that we're going to be facing. If we hold above this, then we're going to see that this new news that just came out is going to have some traction and people are getting hip to these cards. I'm going to go get tapped in and be an early adopter of those NFTs because we never know what's going to happen. I believe that people might say that it's silly, just like when people first started collecting Babe Ruth cards. So we'll never see, and only time will tell. But I want you guys to go ahead and make sure you guys smash the like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and also make sure the bell notifications is lit up like that. You guys do not miss out on any of my daily content regarding now and the future, the flow and NBA top shot. This is going to be something that we'll be covering over and over again. Leave some comments down below of the projects you guys are interested in. And if you guys can, until next time, continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. You guys know what it is. Later.